Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be kind of like a get it all done type of video. You saw this morning I made the kids some homemade chocolate chip muffins. They have been dying for chocolate chip muffins, so I got around to making those this morning. I just ran to Walmart and to BJ's. I placed a BJ's order and I ran out of my Stoke coffee, so I had none. And I got an alert this morning that of BJ's was out of it. So I ran to Walmart and it wasn't too bad. It's Black Friday today, so I was really nervous to see, like, I thought it was gonna be super, super busy, but it really wasn't bad at all. So I'm gonna unload the car and then I will show you a little grocery haul. We're gonna do a little tiny bit of like just, I'm gonna wash the grapes and some things like that, but other than that, I think I'm gonna film a whole meal prep video tomorrow. So that will be in a separate video, but we're gonna take the Christmas tree down today. We're gonna do some laundry. We are taking the kids to the movies. We're gonna go see Clifford the Big Red Dog. And then Kevin and I have a date night tonight. So he is actually sleeping right now. The poor thing, he worked Thanksgiving, all day yesterday and then all night all like afternoon yesterday into the night and then overnight tonight, so he didn't get home till this morning. So he's sleeping just to get a few hours in. The kids were watching a movie when I left, so hopefully they have been quiet. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. We're going to, like I said, get it all done, kind of spend the day together. So I hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos. And if you are new, I hope you consider subscribing. And I'll see you when I get inside. And I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything yet. I've only had my water. So I need to make a coffee and make some breakfast. And then I will share with you my grocery haul. Alright, so this is everything that I got from Walmart. I just got a box of elbow pasta. We've got tons of pasta, but I've been making homemade mac and cheese with this. So good. I needed some concealer and an eyebrow pencil, so I grabbed those. I'm going to make some either just regular Greek salads, or I'm going to make pasta Greek salads, or both. It's so good. Grab some candy for movie night. Grab some of these pizzas just to keep in the freezer. This is my favorite sparkling water, the lime and watermelon. It's so good. And then I grabbed these for myself. These are my favorite, and I can usually only find them at Walmart. So the vanilla chocolate crunch and their Greek yogurt. These are 150 calories. These are 100, and these are the coffee chocolate chip. So good. Then I grabbed these for a snack for the kids, some mozzarella sticks, and then 2 of my coffees. Don't mind my dirty dishes from the muffins this morning. So I'm gonna get all of this stuff put away in the freezer, and then I will share with you all of my stuff from Walmart. Now this is everything on the counter from BJ's. Like I said, I'm talking quietly because Kevin is sleeping. So the kids picked out some of these fruit and grain cereal bars. They're like Nutri-Grain bars. Got some of this applesauce. They picked out some of these little Chobani yogurts. Some of these granola bars. Some Triscuits for all of us. We all love these. Some Pirate's Booty. And then we were running low on our Texas toast, and we all absolutely love these. I make them a lot of nights with dinner, like when we have pasta or things like that, and there was a coupon. So I grabbed those. I grabbed Leighton some of this Greek vanilla yogurt. She loves yogurt bowls. I grabbed some of this Laughing Cow cheese. The kids and I love these. We needed some flour. I was running really low, and it's, you know, the holidays, so lots of baking. So I grabbed a thing of a gold medal all-purpose flour. It's 12 pounds. Some of this sour cream. And these are the best croutons of all times. So I can just eat like this bag of croutons. They're so good. And then my main reason for going to BJ's is we needed chicken and we needed some ground beef. This ground beef is delicious, and I love that these are like 1.5 pounds or 1.25 pounds each one. So it's a little bit better for us with like a bigger family. Instead of having to make 2, we can just make 1 and it's bigger. And then we got to some brown eggs, 2 dozen brown eggs, and then some grapes. So I'm going to get all of this put away. All of these things are going in the deep freezer, but like our fridge is looking pretty sad. So I'm going to get everything in. So is the kids' snack cabinet. There's like nothing in it. So, oh, and I grabbed a gallon of milk and some laundry detergent.
We're talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle. Yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing. Time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do. Let's break away. Get out, do it, break away. Get out, do it, break away. It's always mixed emotions. The first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do. Let's break away. Somehow this is beautiful. Yeah. About time we let things go. Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be. Yeah. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay, and I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away, all colors will fade, let's go our own way, now's the time to decide what to do and I'll stand by you, I'll stand by you, now's the time to decide what to do. Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Closer than before, and no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. Closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Closer than before, and no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. Closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Hiding all my feelings, broken from the start. Wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close, closer than before. But I want you close. Closer than before, and no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. Closer than before. Closer than before.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now.
We are home. We went and took the kids to go see Clifford, the big red dog. It was so cute. They loved it. I actually really liked it too, and so did Kevin. So now we got the whole Christmas tree done and decorated, which I am glad. We didn't wait for Brendan. I saved his special ornaments because he's been working and doing, like, he's just been busy. So we didn't wait to do the whole thing for him because we'd be waiting till like Christmas Eve. So but that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this kind of get it all done and like spend the day with us. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.